Hey, welcome back to Tonster's channel. Today we have an unboxing review of the Hasbro Power Rangers Lightning Collection SPD A Squad team. So these came out in different waves and set. I know there were some that were Best Buy exclusive, I believe, and also GameStop exclusive. Don't recall which one because it's been a while, but we do have the A Squad Blue Ranger out already because he came in a 2-pack, which you might have seen in the last video, so I saved him to review here. If we look at each of them in package, so we have the pink A Squad Ranger, and there's some issues with the helmet, missing some decals and details, and Hasbro offered a replacement helmet that you could have gotten if you mailed them or if you contacted them. So we'll look closely, see what the difference is. We got the yellow A Squad Power Ranger, the leader of the team, the A Squad Red Ranger, the A Squad Green Ranger, and the blue A Squad Ranger. So let me get these out of the package and we'll look at it closer. Alright, so I have the figures out of package, and the nice thing about this set is they're all very standard to their costume and the weapons and the accessories, so it's not too complicated. Not a lot of detail in terms of the differences, except we'll point out the helmet. So looking at the pink A Squad Pink Ranger, here's her in the set. You get the logo detail with the pink, the side with the A Squad A Squad, back just black boots with silver differences. She comes with her weapon right here, the blaster with the pink decal, the lightning effect, and then another pair of hands with the pose. And then for the replacement helmet, it took me just a tad bit of time, but the only difference is the oval shape of it. So that makes it more accurate to have this one rather than this one, because the series, it was the oval outer lay. And so let's just pull that off and put the replacement helmet on, and there you go. We have the accurate A Squad Pink Ranger now, and the extra helmet piece. So next, the yellow A Squad member. Same design, just with the yellow, and I'd say yeah, basically same. Get the A Squad pink or yellow. Boots are the same. So he comes with his yellow blaster, yellow lightning effect, and then removable pair of hands. Then we have the leader, the A Squad Red Ranger, or Charlie. So she's female, so it's a little skin. She has the same sculpt as the pink. The red, it's a little brighter in my opinion than the series, but I think it's fairly accurate. So same design on the figure. Back of the figure, boots, comes with the red blaster, and then the red lightning effect, and pair of the hand with the pose. We have the green A Squad Green Ranger now. same design. I guess forgot to mention, just look at the helmets for differences and the color of the green. A squad member back. Well, let me see if the backs. Yeah, backs are the same as well for every one of them. The green, got the boots. So it comes with the green weapon, the lightning effect, and the changeable hands. And lastly, we have the blue squad ranger, and there is a difference between this and the rest of the figures, the squad team. The plastic gray part is a little lighter, but you wouldn't be able to tell the difference from far away from the post, but it is a little lighter than the rest of the team, but still very cool. Have the boots, so he comes with the blue blaster as well, lightning effect, and the extra pair of hands here. So let me set this up in the pose. Alright, so here's the pose. This is the Power Rangers Lightning Collection SPD Squad team. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.